loves me. You are not a fascist, can't play you like a toy. And when I need to dominate, you're not my little boy. You see that I am hungry for a life of understanding, and you forgive my angry little heart when she's demanding. You bring me to my knees while I'm scratching out the eyes of a world I want to conquer and deliver and despise. And right while I am kneeling there, I suddenly begin to care and understand that there could be a person that loves me.
Rescue me.